In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect an ANZ credit card feed to Xero. If you want your credit card transactions to flow into Xero automatically, this setup is a great way to save time and reduce manual data entry. Once the feed is connected, your transactions can come through directly from your bank, which helps keep your bookkeeping more accurate and up to date. To begin, log into Xero and go to the accounting menu. From there, select bank accounts. This is the area where you manage all of your connected bank and credit card accounts, so it's the right place to start whenever you want to add a new feed. Once you're on the bank accounts page, look for the option that says Add Bank Account and click it. Xero will then prompt you to search for the financial institution you want to connect. In the search field, type ANZ credit card and select the matching option from the list. Make sure you choose the correct ANZ credit card option so the feed setup is linked to the right account type. After that, Xero will begin the secure connection process. You'll be asked to authorize the connection by logging into your ANZ internet banking through a secure pop-up window. This step is what allows Xero and ANZ to establish the bank feed safely. When you reach this stage, enter your ANZ internet banking details in the secure bank window, not directly into Xero. That's important because it confirms you're authenticating through the bank's official process. If your browser blocks pop-ups, the authorization window may not appear right away. If that happens, allow pop-ups for the page and try again. It's also a good idea to complete this step on a stable internet connection so the authorization doesn't get interrupted. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be shown the eligible accounts connected to your ANZ banking profile. At this point, choose the specific credit card account you want to connect to Xero. Be careful to select the correct account, especially if you manage more than one card, because this is the account that will have the automated feed activated. After you confirm the selection, Xero will finalize the connection. From there, the bank feed setup is complete, and your ANZ credit card transactions will begin syncing into Xero automatically based on the bank's feed timing. That's how to connect an ANZ credit card feed to Xero. Once it's set up, you'll be in a much better position to reconcile transactions consistently